Hello guys, my name is Haribabu. Well, today I am going to discuss about the topic called staffing. Now, let's get into the topic. Staffing. The staffing is all about the selection and training of individual for specific job function and charging them with the allocated responsibilities. So the staffing is all about the finding the right person for the right position at the right time is known as staffing. So by the definition we can conclude that staffing is an operation of recruiting the employees by evaluating their skills and knowledge before offering them specific job roles accordingly. Now we'll go with the different different functions of staffing. Yeah, I consider these are the main functions of staffing. So first one is recruitment. Recruitment recruitment is a positive process searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the jobs in the organization. Yeah, when more persons apply for the job, then there will be a scope for recruiting better person. Yeah, of course, because when there are more people who applies for the job, we can get the most more people with different specialization, with different qualification, so that we can pick the best one from the people. So in other words, one of the one of the in other words, the camper who rides staffing has recruitment forms the first stage in the process, which continues with selection, ceases with placement of the candidates. Yeah. Now we'll go with the second function in the staffing, that is selection. Selection is in staffing is the part of recruiting process that deals with the choosing an employees to hire from among a narrowed down list of outstanding candidates. This selection can actually occur several times throughout the recruiting process, and the selection is the second step in the recruiting process. The selection plays a very important role. It is the second step in the recruiting process. And now we'll go with the third function of the staffing, that is known as training and development. Once the placement is done, the next step involves the training and development of employees. Training is an integral part of the staffing process, and it helps the employees to develop their skills and knowledge. The training and development initiates are educational activities within an organization that are designed to improve the job performance of an organization, an individual, or group. These programs typically involve advising a worker's knowledge and skill sets and instilling greater motivation to enhance job performance. Yeah. Now let's get into the importance of staffing, because there are the staffing plays a very important role in an organization. These are the main points which I consider as importance of staffing. First one is training and development. Second one is effective coordination. Third one is effective recruitment and placement. Fourth is building effective human resource staff. Yeah, if we consider the importance of staffing is as staffing helps to recruit the best possible human resource for different job roles in the organization. It focuses on recruitment, training, and development of human resource in the organization. This also helps to contribute to improve productivity in the organization, and also it helps in job satisfaction. Importance of staffing, as the human resources are the foundation and the most important assets of an organization. They help an organization to achieve its objectives. So the staffing plays a very important role in the organization. Let's discuss this some important points in the staffing. The first one is managing effective staff. Managing the staff in the organization also plays a very important role. And utilization of physical resource. Uh, Utilizing the physical resource in a best way, uh, in a to be productive. Increase in productivity. By using the human resource, we can improve our productivity. Focus on goal achievement. We should be everything done in the organization should be goal oriented. Helps to solve problems. This also helps to solve many problems in the organization. Now we'll go with the what are the elements of staffing. The first one is manpower planning. The manpower planning should be there in every organization, and it was done by man. Second point is job analysis. In every organization, the employee analysis should be done as, because based on their performance we can decide whether the employee is working good or not. And the next one is recruitment and selection. As we already discussed in the earlier slide, uh, regular regarding recruitment and selection, the recruitment and selection both are interlinked with each other. Next one is training and development. The training and development also plays an vital role in the organization. Now we'll go with the external factors that affects the staffing. Yeah, the first one is nature of rivalry for human resource. India has ample supply of unskilled workers than highly qualified people. There are so many unskilled workers in the organization in the India, rather than highly qualified people. So this also affect the staffing who is in the recruiting place. Companies start Second point is the companies start to change their staffing policy and prefer less talented people. They are preferring less talented people because they have changed some policy in their organization. Second one is legal factors. The legal factors which affect staffing are child labor is prohibited, and the second one is provisions are there relating to reservations for physically handicapped people, and legal provisions affects the staffing policy of an organization. Third point is socio socio-cultural factors. Employment of women for job involving physical extension is usually avoided. Women are not offered jobs involving continuous traveling. And the internal factors, at last we conclude with internal factors that affects the staffing. First one is organizational image, past practices, size of the organization, organizational business plan. These four are the internal factors that affects staffing in an organization.